Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install 25.04 on VirtualBox. First download Ubuntu 25.04 and install. Go to Ubuntu official website ubuntu.com. Then click on download Ubuntu. Then see here we have the desktop server and other options. In this video I am going to download and install desktop. Click on desktop, then click on download Ubuntu desktop. See here we have the Ubuntu 24.04 and Ubuntu 25.04. See here its size is 5.9 gigabytes. So click on Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Then click on download. See, once we click on download, download will be started automatically. Wait a moment. See, download started. Go to download. See here the size is 5.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded Ubuntu 25.04 ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you haven't installed Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. See, I have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. Now click on New or Machine and select New. Both options are same. Now we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving name as Ubuntu 25.04 VMware. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down, select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Select other. Then select the downloaded Ubuntu 25.04 ISO image. Click on open. Once you selected, see, type change it to Linux, type to Ubuntu and version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Select this skip unattended installation, otherwise it will install automatically. Then go to hardware. See, by default memory selected 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then if you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. See, virtual machine is created, but still if you want to edit the settings of this virtual machine, right click, select settings, or select it on machine and settings, or click on settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and click on start and normal start. Both the options are same. Click on start to install the Ubuntu 25.04 on VirtualBox. Click on it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu. Hit enter. See here the version Ubuntu 25.04. Select the language from this list and click on next. Then click on next. Select the keyboard layout. I am going with English US and click on next. See, connect to the internet, use wired connection and click on next. See here, try or install Ubuntu. Install Ubuntu is the permanent, try Ubuntu is the temporary. So I am going with install Ubuntu. Then click on next. Type of installation, interactive or automated installation. I am going with interactive installation. Click on next. Now applications, default selection or extended selection. I am going with the default selection, then click on next. If you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to download and install support for additional media formats, you have to select this one. These two options are up to you. I am not going to select this. Then click on next. Disk setup, manual installation or erase disk and install Ubuntu. This is a fresh installation, and for this demo purpose I am going with erase disk and install Ubuntu. Then click on next. If you want to encrypt file system, you have to select encrypt with passphrase. Then you have to provide the password. I don't want encrypt, so select no encryption. Next, now we have to create our setup user. This is the user full name and this is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change after virtual machine creation. So I am giving Ubuntu 25.04 VM and this is the actual username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then if you have Active Directory, select use Active Directory. I don't have anything, so click on next. Then select the time zone. You can search here or you can select on the globe. Okay, I am from India, so select from India, then click on next. This is the summary of the virtual machine that we are going to create. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on this back and you can edit. And if you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, it is copying file, so means installation has been started. Okay, this will take time, so I am pausing this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Ubuntu 25.04 is installed and ready to use. So click on restart now. Or if you want to continue testing, you have to click on here. So click on restart now. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control key on your keyboard to release the cursor. See here the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, go to VirtualBox. See here in optical drive it is empty. If it is not empty, you have to click on here and remove the disk from the virtual drive. Then come to here and hit enter. Click on username and provide the password, and also try to increase it to get the full screen. See, we haven't received full screen. Click on next. I don't want to share system information with Ubuntu system. Click on finish. See, if you try to maximize it, we haven't received full screen. So click on devices, then insert guest additions CD image. Click on this files, then go to this VirtualBox, then right click and open in terminal. Let me increase the font. Close this one. ls. Now we have to install this VirtualBox Linux additions.run file. Sudo /VirtualBox Linux additions.run. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it requires this bgif. So install it. Sudo apt install bgif2. Hit enter. It is done. Now run same this run file. See, we are successfully installing VirtualBox guest stations. See, we have successfully installed. Now double click on it. Again maximize it. See, now we got the full screen. Okay, so Ctrl L, go to home directory. Now verify the version that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Ubuntu 25.04 and its code name is Plucky. Okay, the first step after connecting to Ubuntu is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, all packages are updated. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 25.04 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.